difficult by itself. But if you are a seller and you're trying to promote a product in the United States and you don't have more than $5,000 to invest, then in search, find, buy, or anything else, it's okay to list your product. It most likely will not get very many sales.
Of
I
course.
would most likely recommend if you have under $5,000 budget to just go and try to use Facebook ads to leverage it to your website, grow your email list, grow your customer list, and then leverage it to Amazon using that search, find, buy, or super URLs wherever. That's going to take a lot longer. It's going to take probably 10 times the amount of time,
Yes.
but without money, like you either have time or money. You have one or the other. And so it's either if you don't have very much money, send it to your website, create a website. It's Shopify. You can create one easily. Use Facebook ads, learn Facebook ads. You have to really learn the detailed targeting, lookalike audiences, and things like that. After that, then you can send that traffic to Amazon through those ranking campaigns or whatever you want to do, and then you can gain traction on Amazon. And so that's what I'd recommend if you don't have a huge budget.